Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Management Blueprint for retirement accounts and how investors can manage dividend income more wisely inside retirement accounts. To begin with, dividend taxes do not work the same way in every account. In a traditional IRA or 401k, dividends can grow tax-deferred, meaning you usually do not pay tax every year while the money stays inside the account. However, when you withdraw money later, taxes may apply based on the rules of that account. On the other hand, Roth IRA and Roth 401k accounts are funded with after-tax money, and qualified withdrawals may be tax-free. Also, if you invest through an HSA where eligible, it may offer powerful tax advantages. Therefore, the first step is to clearly identify which type of account you are using. Next, it is important to understand how dividends are treated inside retirement accounts. In many tax-advantaged accounts, dividends can be reinvested and compounded without creating a current annual tax bill. This can help your portfolio grow faster over time because more money stays invested. However, the tax impact may appear later when withdrawals begin, especially in traditional retirement accounts. So, instead of focusing only on yearly dividend tax, you should think about the full retirement strategy. After that, you should choose the right asset location. Some investments, such as high-yield dividend funds, REITs, or bond funds, may create more taxable income if they are held in a regular taxable brokerage account. For that reason, many investors place income-heavy assets inside retirement accounts when appropriate. Meanwhile, more tax-efficient investments can sometimes be kept in taxable accounts. The goal is to match each investment with the account that gives it the best long-term tax treatment. Then, dividend reinvestment becomes another key decision. If you are still building wealth, automatic dividend reinvestment can be useful because it buys more shares and supports long-term compounding. Over time, those reinvested dividends may generate even more dividends. However, if you are close to retirement, you may prefer to keep dividends as cash for income needs or rebalancing. So, reinvestment should match your age, goals, risk level, and cash flow needs. In addition, you must watch contribution and withdrawal rules carefully. Retirement accounts often have annual contribution limits, eligibility rules, age requirements, and early withdrawal penalties. If you withdraw too early or contribute more than allowed, you may create unnecessary tax problems. That is why contribution planning and distribution planning should be treated separately. One strategy helps you build the account, while the other helps you withdraw money properly. Moving forward, required minimum distributions, also called RMDs, are another major point for traditional retirement accounts. At a certain age, some accounts may require you to start taking withdrawals. These withdrawals may increase your taxable income in retirement. Therefore, it is smart to estimate future distributions early. Some people also consider gradual withdrawals or Roth conversions when appropriate, but this should be done carefully with proper tax guidance. Another important part of the blueprint is beneficiary and estate planning. Retirement accounts usually allow you to name beneficiaries, so it is important to keep that information updated. Life changes such as marriage, divorce, children, or family changes can affect your plan. Also, inherited retirement accounts may have special rules, so beneficiaries should understand what happens after the original owner passes away. Keeping records of contributions, conversions, and rollovers can also make future tax planning easier. Finally, review your plan every year. Your account mix, dividend yield, asset allocation, tax laws, income level, and retirement goals can all change over time. A strategy that works today may not be the best strategy later. Therefore, checking your portfolio annually can help you rebalance, reduce mistakes, and stay aligned with your long-term goals. In summary, a strong dividend tax management plan for retirement accounts starts with knowing your account type, understanding how dividends are taxed, placing the right assets in the right accounts, reinvesting wisely, following contribution and withdrawal rules, preparing for required distributions, updating beneficiaries, and reviewing everything regularly. This content is for educational purposes only, and tax treatment can depend on your account type, location, income, and personal situation. For personalized advice, always speak with a qualified tax professional. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.